Bonjour, moi je m'appelle Essosa, je suis nigériane et nous sommes ici pour vous aider. Pourquoi vous voulez apprendre le français? Vous voulez apprendre le français pour l'école, vous voulez apprendre le français pour le travail, le voyage ou juste pour le plaisir? Quelle que soit la raison, nous sommes ici pour vous aider à très bien comprendre le français. J'aimerais que vous vous asseyez et profitez très bien de cette émission. Hello, my name is Essosa. I am a Nigerian and we're here to help you. Why do you want to learn French? You want to learn French for school, you want to learn French for work, you want to learn French for travel, or just want to learn French because you like French. No matter your reason, we're here to help you learn French better. All I want you to do is to sit back, relax, have fun. A bientôt! We're going to start by learning how to present ourselves. For every language you want to learn, you have to start by knowing how to present yourself. How do you say my name is? How do you say I am from a particular place? How do you say I live in? And all that. That is what we're going to be learning today. The particular topic is called se présenter. Se présenter. Se présenter means presenting oneself. Se présenter, presenting oneself. Je m'appelle. Anything I say, you say after me. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle means my name is. Je m'appelle Essosa. Essosa is my name. So when we say, after you say je m'appelle, you put in your name. Je m'appelle Essosa. So how do I say I am a Nigerian? Je suis is I am. Je suis. Say after me. Je suis Nigerian. For the ladies, you will say Nigerian because there's an E behind the N, which shows that you are a lady. But for the guys, you don't need to stress the Nigerian. You just say Je suis Nigerian. For the guys, because there's no E behind your Nigerian. It's just for the ladies that you will stress, so that whoever that is talking to you, once you say je suis Nigerian, he knows, oh, I'm talking to a lady. Je suis Nigerian, he knows, oh, or she knows, oh, I'm talking to a man. So let's go. Je suis Nigerian. How do you say I live in so place? J'habite. Say after me. J'habite. J'habite à Ikeja. That means I live in Ikeja. J'habite à Ikeja. Okay, right now we'll be learning how to greet. How do you say hello? How do you say good morning and all that? The topic is les salutations. Les salutations. Les salutations means greetings. Les salutations. Bonjour. Bonjour means good morning or good afternoon. Say after me, bonjour. It means good morning or good afternoon. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit means good night. Bonne journée. Someone is leaving the house in the morning, you tell them, bonne journée. It means have a nice day. Bonne journée. You meet someone in the evening and you're leaving, the person says 6, says 7. You say bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée means have a good evening. Say, okay, you meet somebody at say 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you want to leave the person, you could just say bon après-midi. Bon après-midi means have a good afternoon. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi means have a good afternoon. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. Bienvenue means welcome. Say after me, bienvenue. Bon weekend. Bon weekend means have a nice weekend. Bon weekend. Bon weekend means have a nice weekend. You're meeting for somebody for the first time, you have exchanged pleasantries. How do you say pleased to meet you or nice to meet you? In French, we say enchanté, enchanté, enchanté. Bon appétit. I know many of you will have seen this in restaurants. It means enjoy your meal. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. So the next time you see somebody eating, just tell the person bon appétit. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir means bye. Bye. Au revoir. Merci. Merci. Merci means thank you. Merci beaucoup. You're very grateful. Somebody has done something very good to you and you're very grateful. You just say merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup means thank you very much. A bientôt. A bientôt means see you soon. A bientôt. A bientôt means see you soon. You're leaving somebody and probably you're going to see the person on Monday. You can just say à lundi. À lundi. À lundi means till Monday. À lundi. Or is it going to be tomorrow you're seeing the person? You can say à demain. À demain. À demain. À demain means till tomorrow. Salut. Salut. Salut means hello. Hello. Salut. Salut. Salut means hello. Then à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure means see you later. You're leaving somebody, you just call somebody on the phone and you know you're going to be seeing the person in the next 2 minutes. You could just say à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure means comment ça va means how are you? Comment ça va? And you can now respond by saying ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci, which means I am fine, thank you. You can also ask someone, how are you, by saying, comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? It means, how are you? And you can respond by saying, je vais bien. Je vais bien. It means, I am fine. Je vais bien. Bonjour, bonjour. C'est encore moi, la Nigériane Sosa, qui vous aide à parler très bien le français. I really hope you enjoyed the last video, and we all know French is the most romantic language in the world. You cannot imagine the joy you have or you feel when you wake up one morning and you discover you cannot express yourself in French. You can call up a white man or a white woman and say, or a French man or a French woman and say bonjour, or you say bon appétit, and you say je vais à l'école, je vais bien, comment ça va? That is the best thing in the world. I know a lot of you want to join the train of us that speak French. Don't worry, just stay tuned to this YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, follow me up on the Facebook. I have a Facebook page, and I believe you will speak French. Faith or to faith, not even the faith thing alone, but you have to always try and memorize whatever we have taught you, try and put it into practice, and I believe within a space of time, you will call me up and say, Esosa ça va, Esosa bonjour, Esosa tu es où? Don't worry. Thank you very much. Until I come your way again. À très bientôt.